Spinjitzu here, back on the chest of drawers. Today I have something new. I'm excited for it. I don't know why I'm excited for it, but I just know I am. So, without further ado, we have this, which is from the new season 13 of Ninjago. These were just recently released, and I have to thank Jeanette for this because she bought this for me and I'm happy about it. So thank you, Jeanette.
You're welcome.
She's sitting over there like she usually does. But this is Spinjitzu Burst Kai. This looks very interesting. I like how this looks. So this is set number 70686. Age recommended for 7+. There are 2 others that I need to get afterwards. There is Cole and Lloyd. I don't get why they didn't do one for everyone, but you know. I love this type of box. I don't know why, but all of these little gimmicky Spinjitzu things, this box has to be my favorite design. It's got this nice print on it, which I really like, and I want to get the Cole one so then I can just cut it out and just keep it. On this side, it has the steps on what you need to do. I'm excited for that. And even at the top, it's got Kai's logo from his hood, and I really like that detail. Alright, let's open this. Let's see. Scissors, safety. Whoops. There. And it just opens easily. I like this. Very nice. It opens way easier than everything else, because there's very weird boxes like the Spinjitzu and the Dragonborn stuff. They're all in weird boxes. This one makes sense. I mean, so do the arcade pods, because they're cool. Hey. Oh, it's a fold out thing like they did for season 12. Interesting. Alright. 3, 2, 1, building montage. is it. I found this very interesting to build. It took me a hot minute because for some reason it made me build it wrong, or I'm just an idiot. I have no idea, but it's here, it's all together, it's interesting. Definitely. Alright, so first off, I want to show the Kai fig because he looks incredible, especially just for this new series. I love the torso and the legs. That is just bonkers. I believe the legs are from something else and the torso is an exclusive, and I think so is the face. He comes with the hood and he also comes with this hat, which I have no idea why. He just does. I love the back of that torso. I love it. It just looks awesome with the fiery dragon. And then there's his face. Let me remove that hat just so you can get a better look at it. I really like how that looks. Just the sparks of fire just going in. Love it. So he comes with his mask and he also comes with the weird hat. I have no idea why. Alright. Let's have a look at this. It looks interesting, to say the least. Let me just remove this for a minute, because this is actually what Kai sits in. You remove this so you can actually look at it in better detail. So there are these 4 little crackle compartments. I don't know what they are. They're a mixture of gold and red for Kai. They flap open really easily, which is why you need the rubber band. They have these notches down here, which is actually where you need to put the rubber band to the level. So it's easier. There we go. Then you screw this in here. So it's basically like the Spinjitzu Slam, but it's mixed and made different for this season. Alright, let's give this a go. So all you do is just slam it down. Interesting. It just spins.
That's why it says Spinjitzu spin.
It's Spinjitzu burst, but it's supposed to burst. Oh, there we go. I lost it. Look at me, I'm over here now. I thought I'd be over here, so then in case it falls on the floor, I can easily obtain it.
Next thing you know, it falls on the opposite side.
Do not jinx it! So, there we go! Ho ho ho!
That's actually pretty cool.
That's awesome! So you're supposed to literally slam it so hard that it actually pops out of the band. That's wicked! And then when it's done, it just goes back into this form. Or it just does that! But yeah, me and Jeanette were really confused when I dropped it on the floor.
No, she was confused when she dropped it on the floor.
I like that. That might actually be better than the Spinjitzu Slam, I'm sorry to say. I like that. It's literally the...
You don't like Spinjitzu Slam anymore? Can I have all of your figures?
No! I've already bought you all of them except Zane.
Damn it.
But yeah, I find it interesting. I really want to get the rest now. The one thing I don't get is, why does Kai come with this ridiculous hat?
Because it's Kai.
Because it's Kai. Yeah, but Lloyd and Cole come with them as well.
Because they're stupid.
Lloyd, I can understand. Kai, I can understand. Cole, I cannot. That's how it
Fucking
is.
Kai can't do anything right.
Well, there you go. That's basically the new Spinjitzu Slam Burst, or whatever it is. I like this. So, like I said, this is for the new season. It hasn't come out yet. All we've had is one teaser. And that's with, like, no audio whatsoever. But yeah, are you excited for the new season?
Mm-hmm.
I'm excited because it's a cold season. It's about time. But yeah, I enjoy this. I really do like this set. So I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring that bell so you can be notified when another video like this comes out. Hopefully I will get Lloyd next because I want to save Cole for last. Best till last. And I shall see you guys next time. Bye!